Will this asteroid hit the Earth in 2029? It's a question that's been on the minds of many. It's not just any asteroid we're talking about here, but Apophis, named after the ancient Egyptian god of chaos. This celestial body, ominously dubbed the God of Chaos, has been the subject of intense scrutiny since its discovery. A potential threat to our planet, it has sparked both fear and fascination among scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Measuring about 370 yards in diameter, Apophis is no small rock. Its size is equivalent to 3.5 football fields put together. Imagine that hurtling towards our planet at incredible speeds. The mere thought is enough to send chills down your spine. But before we let our imaginations run wild, we need to delve deeper. To truly understand the threat Apophis presents, we need to unravel its mysteries. But to understand the true threat, we need to know more about this celestial body. So, what do we know about Apophis? Well, this celestial object was first spotted on June 19, 2004 by 3 astronomers, Roy A. Tucker, David J. Tholen, and Fabrizio Bernardi. They named it Apophis, after the ancient Egyptian deity of chaos and darkness, a fitting moniker considering the stir it has caused. Now let's delve a bit into the physical properties of Apophis. This asteroid is no small pebble. It's estimated to be about 370 meters in diameter, roughly equivalent to 3.5 football fields laid end-to-end. Its composition is believed to be a mix of nickel, iron, and silicates, common materials found in many asteroids. Apophis follows an elliptical orbit around the Sun, which brings it into the vicinity of Earth every 7 years. Its closest approach, referred to as a perigee, brings it about 30 million kilometers from our planet, which in astronomical terms is a hair's breadth away. But the real question is, will this journey bring it on a collision course with Earth? Thanks to the tireless work of astronomers and the power of modern computation, we've been able to track Apophis's path with a high degree of accuracy. With all this information, scientists have been able to calculate the asteroid's path and its likelihood of colliding with Earth. So, back to our burning question. Will Apophis hit the Earth in 2029? Well, let's delve into the latest scientific findings and predictions about this celestial body's trajectory. You see, calculating an asteroid's path is no simple task. It's a complex process that involves assessing a myriad of factors, such as the asteroid's size, mass, shape, and even its rotation. Scientists also consider the gravitational influences of other celestial bodies and the Yarkovsky effect, a phenomenon where the heat emitted by the asteroid can subtly alter its course. Now, armed with all this data, scientists have been able to make some pretty accurate predictions. They use powerful computers to run countless simulations, each one slightly different to get a range of possible outcomes. It's a bit like playing a cosmic game of billiards, with each planet and asteroid acting as a ball on the table, each influencing the other's paths. So what's the verdict for Apophis? As of our current knowledge, this beast of an asteroid is not predicted to hit Earth in 2029. However, it's going to come remarkably close. And by close, I mean within about 19,000 miles of our planet. That's closer than some of our own satellites, but don't let that proximity alarm you. Scientists have calculated the odds of Apophis colliding with Earth in 2029 to be about 1 in 100,000. To put that into perspective, you're about 10 times more likely to win the lottery than for Apophis to hit Earth. While these odds are comforting, they remind us that in the grand scheme of the cosmos, our planet is but a tiny speck, and in this vastness, a multitude of celestial bodies, like Apophis, are constantly in motion, their paths delicately balanced by the intricate dance of gravity and momentum. So, for now it seems we can breathe a sigh of relief, but in the vastness of space, anything can happen. So, we've dodged a bullet with Apophis, but what about the future? The space science community is continuously watching and tracking asteroids, using advanced technology and research to keep our planet safe. It's the tireless work of these astronomers and scientists that ensure we stay one step ahead of any potential threat. Their work underscores the importance of space science and research, reminding us that we're not just inhabitants of Earth but citizens of the universe. What do you think on this? Let us know. Shout out to Mike for his video suggestion.